This trail is Idaho Springs, Colorado, and it is awesome. It's even more fun going downhill, much more relaxing, of course. And we just have awesome sun going down, going nuts over the whole mountains and valley. Totally free trail, so many wildflowers. I mean, just everywhere, just beautiful stuff. I've seen some Indian paintbrush, all different things, but we're up there ways. Kind of just really good trail. We did a shortcut a little bit ahead that was nice, but brutal. Cuts off a lot. We'll see how it is going down it. But yeah, Virginia Canyon Trail, right next to Argo Mine. Absolutely awesome. Highly recommended. Bill Pickle Food Travel Adventure. Hang out in Colorado, especially in August. Talking 65 degrees or something. Beautiful.